Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're tracking the Indian chemicals and life sciences space, today's update is all about Jubilant Ingrevia Limited and their Q4 and FY25 earnings. Let's jump straight in. Business snapshot. Jubilant Ingrevia operates across three core segments: specialty chemicals, including pyridine, diketene derivatives, and a growing CDMO business that even touches semiconductors. Nutrition and Health Solutions, NHS, think niacinamide, choline, and cosmetic-grade vitamins. Chemical intermediates, they make acetic anhydride, ethyl acetate, and acetaldehyde used in pharma and agri. They're a global leader in multiple categories, ranked number 1 in pyridine non-China, number 2 in niacinamide feed grade globally, and number 1 in dry choline in India. Q4 and FY25 performance. Revenue for Q4 came in at 1,051 crore, flat year-on-year, dragged by chemical intermediates. But here's where it gets interesting. EBITDA jumped 54% year-on-year to 155 crore, with margins hitting 14.7%. PAT surged 153% to 74 crore. For the full year, they announced a 5 rupee per share dividend, totaling nearly 80 crore. Debt stayed manageable, with a net debt-EBITDA ratio at 1.18 times, and working capital cycle improved to 61 days. Segment highlights. Specialty chemicals. Revenue up 15% year-on-year. EBITDA hit a 15-quarter high at rupees 129 crore with a whopping 27% margin. Strong bounce back in pyridine and CDMO with 25-plus new molecules added. Exports shot up, particularly to the US, Europe, and Japan. Nutrition and Health Solutions. Another 15% revenue growth. EBITDA soared 237% year-on-year, margin at 16%. Boost came from strong choline volumes and niacinamide sales, helped by their new cGMP plant in Bharuch. Chemical intermediates. This was the weak link. Both revenue and EBITDA declined due to muted paracetamol-linked demand for acetic anhydride. Ethyl acetate volumes held up, but pricing remained under pressure. CapEx and strategic moves. They've invested 1,745 crore since FY22, out of a planned 2,000 crore. FY25 CapEx, rupees 365 crore. FY26 budgeted at 600 crore, mostly funded internally. Major expansions include a new agrochemical CDMO plant by December 2025 and rapid scale-up in fine chemicals and cosmetic-grade nutrition. Vision. Pinnacle 345. This is their roadmap to FY30. Triple revenue to over 10,000 crore. 4 times EBITDA. 5x net profit. They're banking on international expansion, cost optimization, and a sharp focus on specialty and nutrition segments. Export share already jumped from 34% to 45% year-on-year. Sustainability and culture. Over 35% renewable energy use. Bharuch plant is already at 50%. Received a Gold EcoVadis ESG rating and hit the 92nd percentile in S&P's DJSI. Also, proudly certified a great place to work. Risks to watch. Still some drag from acetyl and paracetamol demand cycles. Choline facing price pressure from Chinese imports. Recovery in certain segments will depend on broader macro trends. That's a wrap on Jubilant Ingrevia's Q4 and full-year highlights. This video is only a summary of the latest conference call and not to be considered as trading, investment, or financial advice. If you found this useful, hit that like button, subscribe, and drop your thoughts in the comments. Until next time, stay curious, stay informed.